Tat McClelland here, back in the shop. Started working on my vacuum and my shop vac, and I've had this for quite a while, but I've been doing a few things to it previously. Had a rack for all the implements and parts, and it was getting to be in sad shape, and decided that I was gonna redo it. So started that yesterday, got it taken apart. I also, you can maybe see underneath there, I had these nice wheels put on the front because the other ones broke, and so it kind of leaned back a little bit. So yesterday I added these blocks of 2x6 on the back to lower the back wheels so it doesn't look like what do they call those pickups when, anyway, yeah, doesn't look jacked up in the front. It used to sit about like that. You can't really tell, but it was about 1.5 inches higher in the front than the back, and sometimes it'd fall over. So I started working on that yesterday, and that's kind of what I'm going to be working on today. So I figured I'd take you along with me. Anyway, enjoy. All right, well, we got that done. Had to do a little modification. I haven't put all those different parts in there yet, but I'll give you a look in slow-mo. No, in real time. There we go. Yeah, so just to kind of go through the design thought. The first time I did this, I did it with 1/2 inch only, and to keep it light, but really it, yeah, I was worried about it rolling around, but that was with the old casters. So these new high-tech ones, these are actually office chair casters for they're rollerblade wheels, so they roll real easy.
They're insane on their rollerblade.
I mean, I can push it with one finger and pull it around. It's super easy to move, which is really nice for not having to pull the hose out of the hole. Anyway, so these side braces, I cut them to fit right underneath, just underneath this handle right here, and hug the side. I did add one screw this time, just under here, to help hold it in place. The ones that go across into each shelf, as you can see, the screws are split in the shelves in a couple of places. The center one's held really well, but I mean, it's not a big deal. It's just a shop tool. So, but it'll. I mean, that's tough enough to hold it. And since I took these corners off to fit that piece in down there, this won't catch on near as much now. So that's what's actually catching on stuff. That, and well, of course, the bottom one catching on steps when I bring it up. But anyway, this side brace goes clear down to the bottom and sets right on top of that brace down there. That's original, and originally where you would put implements, which they only had 2 spots, and then a bag that hung from up here, which was a mess. Having to dig through it. But anyway, there it is. So, and these center holes right here are just slightly smaller than the other ones, just to keep these from falling out. But last time I had them the same size, and they were well, actually I was using PVC to hold it on there, and it didn't work. So anyway, yeah, and then slots for these. So that works really slick. I like that. I'm glad I did those. Anyway, this works real good. They're not going to roll anywhere, and it's large enough this time, whereas last time these were just slightly smaller. I couldn't get this into there with that locking latch on there, so it wouldn't fit, and now it does. So yeah, anyway, there we go. And then I put this was part of the original design, or not. Well, it was an afterthought, really. This top shelf was really flimsy, so I added I had some aluminum angle iron angle aluminum that I had laying around. So I cut it to make a brace and just slotted it. And I think, unfortunately, the video that I got of me putting that on there was it wasn't visible. So what I was doing, and I didn't notice until I was done. But anyway, there it is, all done, ready for use, and it's a good thing. I got a mess, so
I'll clean up my room, Mummy!
Anyway, till next time, Gus says, thanks for watching.